to remove the wheel. Press and hold the button. This will release the wheel. Notice the two locking pins at the end of the spindle. Pressing and holding the button will release these pins. It may sometimes be necessary to adjust the spindle. A 19 and 11 mm spanner will be required. By adjusting the large nut, the length of the spindle can be lengthened or shortened. This ensures that the pins locate beyond the spindle mount. When inserting the spindle, ensure that the button is kept depressed. Press and hold the button to replace the wheel. Ensure that the wheel is secure.